We are talking about the mucopolysaccharidosis. The mucopolysaccharidosis is an enzyme deficiency disorder in which the mucopolysaccharides are formed, but they are not converted into various forms because of the enzyme deficiency. The breakdown of the mucopolysaccharides not occur because of the enzyme deficiency. In this mucopolysaccharides accumulate in the form of dermatan sulfate, chondroitin sulfate, heparin sulfate, keratin sulfate, and the enzyme deficiency is alpha idoronidase. There is mutation occur in the genes that involve in the synthesis of alpha idoronidase, and when this enzyme deficiency occurs, there is no the conversion of the mucopolysaccharides, and the mucopolysaccharides accumulate in the form of dermatan sulfate, chondroitin sulfate, heparin sulfate, and keratin sulfate. What is the clinical features of the mucopolysaccharidosis? The clinical features of the mucopolysaccharidosis is the clouding of cornea, joint stiffness, mental retardation, urinary excretion of the mucopolysaccharides, urinary excretion of the mucopolysaccharide. The mucopolysaccharide are excreted in the urine because there is the deficiency of alpha idoronidase, because the genes, there is mutation in the genes that involve in the synthesis of the alpha idoronidase, and the mucopolysaccharides cannot be converted into other form, and their breakdown of the mucopolysaccharides is not occur. Now we will discuss the two syndrome and the mucopolysaccharidosis. The first syndrome is called Hurler syndrome. Hurler syndrome. In the Hurler syndrome, there is deficiency of alpha-1 idoronidase. There is deficiency of alpha-1 idoronidase. There is deficiency of the alpha-1 idoronidase, and this is the most severe form of the mucopolysaccharidosis. Most severe form. This is the most severe form of the mucopolysaccharidosis. The hepatosplenomegaly occur in this Hurler syndrome. The hepatosplenomegaly occur. Hepatosplenomegaly occur, and in this case, the usual age that is 6 to 24 months of age, death occur within 6 to 24 months of age, the death will occur. Now we will discuss another syndrome that is called Hunter syndrome. Hunter syndrome. In the Hunter syndrome, there is also mucopolysaccharidosis occur. Mucopolysaccharidosis also occur, but it is X-linked disorder. The Hunter syndrome is X-linked disorders, and there is also the mucopolysaccharidosis occur. Mucopolysaccharidosis occur, but there is no involvement of cornea. No involvement of cornea occur, and no clouding of cornea occur in the Hunter syndrome. The clouding of the cornea occur in the Hurler syndrome and the mucopolysaccharidosis, but in the Hunter syndrome, no involvement of the cornea of the eye and clouding of the eye occur.